Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the location of the Xbox Series X store. And this is actually really easy to do. Now to change the location, we want to go back to the home screen. Then go up to settings right here, select this. Scroll on down to system. Then go to the right and go to language and location. Then go down to location. And then you can change the country right here. And once you choose the country, go to it and then go to restart right here, and you need to restart your Xbox Series X for these changes to take effect. And then you can go back on over to the Microsoft Store, and it should be a different storefront for your specific region. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.